I'm so happy all of you all are coming for this IFA. It's going to be, really, really exciting. I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to.
वो गानों में सलामी देना तो किसी की बाली उम्र, वो रोमानी लोकेशंस, वो तपती धूप में मेहनत, वो हर एक फ्राइडे में बदलती हुई बॉक्स ऑफिस पर किसी की किस्मत, वो ऑडियंस की कभी कभी तकरार, कभी बेशुमार प्यार, कभी कभी स्टार का बनना एक्टर, कभी एक्टर का स्टार, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी, वही रीजन जिसके लिए आधी कर दी मैंने अपनी जवानी, वो 3 घंटों में लिपटी कई कहानियां, कई जिंदगानी। अगर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में कहीं जन्नत है तो वो यही है, यही है, यही है। आप वाह वाह बोल सकते हैं आप। I knew this day would come.
Well, good afternoon. It's an honor to be here. Thank you so much, the media, हमारे माँ बाप. Thank you very much for being here in such large numbers, and all the sponsors. Well, there are few things I'm very, very excited about this IFA. There are a lot of firsts happening, over here. So that really, really, I'm very, very excited, but this time वो जो मेरा dialogue था ना कुछ ज़्यादा ही excited हूँ. Most important is there are two of the people whom I really admire, respect, and who have taken whatever they have done to international level, and who are hugely admired, respected by the entire film fraternity also for what they have done. I'm very excited that Witchcraft, which is and Andre and the Colors team, Mr. Raj Naik, are coming together. You can expect something really, really spectacular. And I mean it from my bottom of my heart when I say that. Because for them, it's not only about money. Of course, money is important. But it's the passion. That whatever we do, we'll do to our best and make it world class. नुकसान होता है होने दो यार, वो तो चलता रहता है, नफा फायदा तो चलता ही रहता है, but हम जो भी करेंगे वो जबरदस्त करेंगे. So this IFA, I promise you, is going to rock. And of course, friends, ladies and gentlemen, there are few of the actors over here, and I'm really, really huge fan of all of them sitting over here, and I've admired, and I can see that they're ruling. They're going to rule forever and ever. There's Shahid Kapoor. There is, of course, Mr. Hrithik, whom I have always been a great fan. And I told him when I saw him, I said, "Tu 1-2 saal nahi, 30-40 saal tak you'll be the top star." I don't know if you remember that. And of course, Arjun has taken me by surprise. Yeah, absolutely. I never expected him. Seriously, I'm telling you, Arjun, whenever I meet you, whenever I interact with you, you're terrific, absolutely fantastic. The way you speak, this is just the beginning. This is just the tip of the iceberg. You're going to be huge, I promise you. You're going to be huge. And of course, Sonakshi ji. क्या डायलॉग है famous? झकास से ज़्यादा popular कौन सा है? खामोश. There's only one dialogue which is much more popular than झकास, and that is खामोश. अरे of course यार, same thing यार. खून तो एक ही है ना. Legacy. हाँ, थप्पड़ से डर लगता है. So I'm so happy all of you all are coming for this IFA. It's going to be, really, really exciting. I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to all your performances, and as I look forward to all your films, Shahid, Hrithik, Arjun, Sonakshi, and I'm sure, I can see it that we all are basically inherently entertainers. We love to make people smile, laugh, make them happy, and I can see that in you all. And that's what it is, and that's what we are supposed to be. God has given us so much. It has given us so much, and that's what we should do every time we are on stage or we are in front of the camera. Do our best and entertain everybody. And what better platform than the IFA platform? It's world class. You know, I have traveled all over the world. I have witnessed a lot of awards, walked a lot of red carpets, but IFA is the best. The IFA weekend, it's a unique combination of awards, fashion shows, and serious conversation, and workshops, you name it, and business, you know, everything. And